Okay, Under the Wings 82. It is a Monday afternoon, July 13, 2026. I'm actually redoing some of the compositional shape here of the pencil drawing I did of Margot Frank's facial features, because this is not the same photograph I did the drawing from back in around, I think it was April 17th. And as an example, the eyeglass over her left eye and viewer's right is shaped completely different here. So anyway, I'll work on it as best I can. And I gotta start going over it with, gotta get my ink out and choose a metal ink pen in a holder, plastic holder, and just start drawing. All right. Hey, can we get some chirps here? I turned the record off there. We were listening to an album of the long gone Harry Chapin, fine singer-songwriter. And I bought, I think, about 20 bananas, more bananas than I've ever bought, anticipating hot weather and not wanting to go out when it's really hot. So gotta have to stock up on what I need, groceries-wise. And maybe the birds and I are going to listen to it. What is it, 20,000, 30,000 pounds of bananas, something like that. Great song. My favorite rendition of that is in a concert he gave in L.A. Okay, so we got about 40 more seconds here to get to 3 minutes. It's so strange again, reading about Trump, his xenophobia and hatred of so many peoples, and his endorsement of Adolf Hitler and Third Reich generals. It's just absolutely appalling. Democracy being pummeled into smithereens by this president so many decades after the Holocaust, after World War II. Okay, that's it for right now.